it's Laura, and I thought I would update you on something I am doing this month outside of my channel. It's just something that I'm doing in my personal life. I'm going on a spending freeze. Now, if you're not familiar with a spending freeze, I would definitely go check out Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. She has a great explanation about spending freezes and the different types of spending freezes and how to make that work for you and for your creativity. So for me, I have obviously a lot of stash to work with. So my spending freeze for January for the moment is going to be to not spend anything on scrapbooking supplies. That's nothing. There's no accepts. Okay, I do have a couple of kits that I have paid for last month that are going to come today, but I've canceled everything else. So I have no intention to spend any money on scrapbooking supplies this month. None. No exceptions. It's pretty hardcore spending freeze, but I think I need it. I want to push myself to use as much as I can of these supplies I already have, that I've already paid for, and that I love. They're beautiful. Why wouldn't I want to use them? So one way I'm doing that is I did join the How to Kill a Kit with Style team, and I'm going to be doing some DIY kits this year, and I'm really excited about that. And I'm also going to be working hard to use up my stash. Now I am on 2 design teams this year. I am on the scrapbookingstore.com design team, so I get their kit every month, and I also am on the Spiegel Mom Scraps design team, which is sequins and wood veneer, and I'm really excited to be on that team as well. So that will help me with my spending freeze. I will have a little bit of new product coming in, not a ton. And so I think that's going to help me with my spending freeze, but I want to let you know that I'm doing it. If you have any questions, go ahead and pop them in the comments below. More than happy to answer your questions. And if this goes well, I may be doing this throughout the year. I don't know if I could do the whole year. If a new Cocoa Vanilla collection comes out, y'all know it's mine. So yeah, I just can't do that. But I'm really excited, and I hope you will join me in trying to use up our stash, or our inventory, as Janet says, and I am really excited to give this a go. Let me know what you think and if you're going to join me. Until next time, bye!